Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change language in Microsoft Word back to English. First, we're going to open the Microsoft Word and see that your language has been switched up and you don't understand anything. From here, we're going to look at the tabs right here at the top and click on the option at the very left side. Once you have clicked that, we are going to focus on these options at the left part of the screen and we're going to click on the last option. Once we are here, we are going to count from these options. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth option. We're going to click on the sixth option that says a language, and we should be at this settings page. From here, we are able to select language English, and we have 4 options right here. We're going to select the last one or the 4th option right here. Once you have done that, click on OK, which is this one at the left one. Click on this one, and we close the Word app. And we are going to reopen it. Once we have opened it, it should now turn back into the English language. And that is how you can basically change language in Microsoft Word back to English. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.